Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of BrowseInfo's POS multiple branch unit management application. It helps you to manage the multiple POS branches within a single company in Odoo. You can operate each branch as a separate unit with proper access rights for the users and the managers. You can also track the branch-wise POS orders, sessions, invoices, and reports just like a multi company setup. So, here for the first step, I have already configured the database, and now I'm just going with the settings. And under the user and companies, you will find one option for the branch. So, here I have created three branches. So that's how you can add the branch name, you can select the company, address, and the number. After that, I'm just going to the users and selecting one user, and under the preferences, you will see two options, one for the default branch and one for the allowed branch for the particular employees and manager. And for the access right, you can also set the companies. So here you can see our branches are created: Ahmedabad, Baroda, and Delhi for the browse info. Now I'm just going with the point of sale and continue with the selling and selecting one product, selecting the customer, and going to make the payment for the same. So here you can see our order is completed and the branch is reflected in the invoice. Now I'm just going to the back end and selecting the orders. So here in our recently made order, you can see the branches reflected which we have selected. And under the picking operation, here you can see also the branch is reflected in the operation. After that, I'm just going to create the invoice. So here you can see the invoice is generated, and in the journal items, the branch is also reflected. After that, I'm just going to the orders and selecting one session. So here you can see in the sessions also our branches reflected and all the things you can manage from the sessions. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.